And when you're searching for new talent, what is something that you look out for in an artist?
Yeah, I mean, of course, the music is a big side of it. I mean, I think with the music, it's tough. I think that the advice I've got from a lot of people senior and sort of my age as well is you want to know that an artist is exceptional, but there are so many artists out there, and there are so many that are exceptional. So it means that now you sort of look at it and you want to you want to see the brand, you want to see the identity, you want to see that they know that they are going forward as well. And so you don't go in there and they don't really have a clue what they're doing. They don't really know what they're doing, and they're just releasing music. They have got to as well have a little bit about them, and that they know their project, so you can just add in and help with that project.
And social media is obviously a big thing for modern music and promotion and releases. Everything in the business
Mm.
is now social media, social media. How important are platforms maybe like TikTok, Spotify, SoundCloud, Instagram for you when you're discovering some of these emerging artists?
They at the moment they're probably the biggest. It's sort of when you see artists and they have good music, but they aren't releasing on TikTok, or they aren't releasing on Spotify, or they aren't releasing on Instagram, or they're not really doing any of that. They're not really engaging the fans. You immediately can't go for them because they've not got that side of them, and people won't see them. And it's all about people seeing you, and then when they see you, they see you. And that's what Instagram and TikTok should be, is you should be posting your music and promoting that, but also have a bit about your identity, because people may look at that and go, well, they're releasing this, they've got good marketing, but they also do this little bit where you can see who they are as a person. You can see their identity and how that is progressing with each song and with each year.
So you think that authenticity in presenting yourself as an artist super, super important?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. I think there's sort of authenticity, and I think just, I mean, I believe that just being yourself um, is a huge thing. Kind of when you're an artist, you need to be yourself, but a bit more. I think that you need to, because you're on stage. You are the eye. People are looking at you, and so you've got to be that person that people look at and go, "Yeah, I really kind of get along with that person." Not in face to face, but just for a camera, you get along with someone like an influencer. You need to be that, but then you need to add that bit of like overdoing it sometimes a little bit, just so people, because that's how people really attach themselves onto someone.